Hey guys, welcome back to Rising Bulls Securities. So today we are going to analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty for 26th July trading session. So currently we are on daily time frame of Bank Nifty, and as you can see we approach near the resistance of 37,000, and today we have created a indecisiveness candle which is known as Doji. So let's go in shorter time frame and let's plan for tomorrow trading session. So we have landed on 15-minute time frame of Bank Nifty, and as you can see in 15-minute time frame we were following a trend line, and today we broke that trend line and we were holding a support of 36,500 level. So and from there we holded that support and we retest the trend line that we broke and made a lower high formation which indicates weakness in Bank Nifty. So what you can do tomorrow is, so you can watch 36,500 level. If you open flat, then watch out 36,500 level, how it reacts over here. If it consolidates at this level and if it gives breakdown, then you can go short at this level till the target of 36,200. And suppose if you open gap down below this level, then also you look for buying selling opportunities, but and wait for a better price, or let this support act as a resistance, then you can go short for same target. 36,200 will be your first target, and after approaching to this support level, see how price reacts over here. If price tries to hold this support level, then exit your trade, or if price gives breakdown of this level also, then you can trail your stop losses and look for target of 36,000 levels. So this is plan in Bank Nifty. Mark this important level and keep it with you. It will help you to trade tomorrow. So let's go to Nifty now. So we are on Nifty daily time frame, and in Nifty also we approach near the resistance of 16,750, and today we have made a indecisiveness candle in Nifty also. So let's go to 15 minutes and plan for tomorrow. So let's go to 15-minute time frame and plan for tomorrow trading session. So we have landed on 15-minute time frame of Nifty, and as you can see in Nifty, the current important support level is 16,600. In Nifty also we were above the trend line, and finally we have reached near the trend line. We were trying to hold 16,600 level. We saw some buying, but finally we made a lower high, and which indicates a weakness in Nifty also. So tomorrow watch this 16,600 level. If you open flat and start breaking this support level, then you can go short till the target of 16,500. And if you open gap down below this support, then wait for a better price like pullback, then go short for same target 16,500. And after approaching this support level 16,500, see how price reacts over here. If we hold this level, then exit your trade. If we get a breakdown of this level also, then wait for target of 16,400, which will be your second target in Nifty. So these are important levels in Nifty 50. Mark this important level and keep it with you. It will help you to trade tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.